some of the highlights of today. So just small glimpse of the day. I just posted it before the actual video starts, so you guys can check it out. So good morning, guys. This is Pala Paratha, curd and chapati watching Big Boss. It actually works wonders. People who have allergy and who have snoring issues or who have sneezing issues, allergy, you can wear this. It helps you breathe easy and avoids all sort of allergies. I never had this issue, man. Started these days. I don't know why. I want to ask you if any of you have any homemade remedies for avoiding this sneeze and avoiding this sur continuously. Is there any home remedies that I can do every day? Please let me know. Comment Madi. It'll help me a lot, please. I need some help from you guys. Mix of mokana and of basil with Nutri-Choice biscuits. Because in some time I need to go swim, so time is around 11:26, so by around 12:31 I should go, because 12 I can't go, I'll get dehydrated. Half an hour of coffee and then no fun. Who is there? Your girlfriend is there? Huh? Can you see any cat there? No. Come inside. So heading to swim, guys, now. Again, sneeze attack. I'm like sick and tired of it. Like doing nothing, I'm still getting too much of sneeze. Every day is the same thing. I think I'll have to go to the doctor today. I think I'm home. Hello guys, I've reached the pool as always. 10 minutes early. So all chill, there's only one person in the pool, so it's all me. Let me go swim. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Bye bye. Good afternoon. Fish curry, rice, and kalupachi. Having lunch. Just done with the swimming. We started lunch also, so I'm sorted. So just chilling for today, and I have to finish some work. I have to finish some calls. So let me just do that, and I'll get back. Let's see. Again, this cold, guys. Help me out, please. Help me out. Some remedies, please. I will follow it. Comment Madi, please. This is what he is doing with him. That's my filter. This kind of powder. We're struggling with. So he's gonna put hot water in this and make it. Let's see. Who is this? This is him. He, Adi. He said we were on the yesterday. Haka noodles. Of course. And then now he's making this. Let's see how it goes. It's like fill it up with water. Now slowly it will drip. Let it drip for some 10 minutes. Huh?
Veggie drip के लिए strength होता. और मैं थोड़ा.
How long?
10 minutes पूरा.
You for 10 minutes and then have. So this is finally third wave. Probably after a year, I think I'm drinking this. I didn't know how to make it. You made it. Successful. Where is yours? The right temperature. I think you need to heat it a little more.
Hey, kalla नहीं उतना का meat.
Cheers. This is super. It's light also. Light in the sense?
Powder है light roast.
It's like no.
Medium, dark.
Pure pala. So this is like smooth compared to your instant coffee. Instant coffee is proper hit. This is smooth. This is same like if you put it in cold water. Matlab, if you keep it in the fridge, perfect cold brew. These are the heart of the machine. This was actually Rupert's. Now it's getting ready. See this. It's submitted. That's just for time being. When he just wakes up, that's the right time you cuddle him. Otherwise, he runs away. He's just woken up. So. See. He'll scratch now. Tondan saptal kada. See this guy. Hello. Stop. See what is happening. My vlogs are being played. So it's a nice thing to keep it on. Always. And I've uploaded shots with this helmet today. Some nice music I got for time pass. So I've uploaded that, and I wanted to upload the IBW route thing. Anyways, it's there on Instagram. So uploaded a reel today. This guy is right behind me. See this guy. See. They're all lights. See. This is one here, and then pump on ke lilwa. And then we have this light here. I don't know whether it's there. Yeah, so one here and one here, like a show thing, showpiece. This was one more. I think there, which is in the. I don't know. Anyways, this was done by my granddad with the AAA बिग बैटरी के अंदर जो ये रहता है ना चारकोल, उससे किया था इन्होंने ऐसे करके ऐसे He was an amazing artist. वहाँ पे भी this one also, this one as well. Beauty of it. That's the peaceful day today done, and this is one of the other things that we manufacture. Porta filters, different types, spout, different type of spout, single spout. This is Dad's entire thing here. Made a small room for himself, planned to make a partition here so that he'll be here this side. Look at this guy behind me always. Oh man, see this. See. Each step he's walking with me. Like, going to get some flowers now. Lotus flower near that Ayappa temple. Hopefully should be able to get it. Let's see. And then he got it. This is the shop. Brahmins guys near Patakpur. So came to this Vijay Bank Private Road. Just got the flowers. Now heading home. By the way, guys, this is matra. I'll just show it to you when I plate it, what you eat it with. This is just a teaser. Stay tuned. So, matra and kulcha. Basically, matra kulcha. Delhi style. Hello, guys. I again forgot to close the vlog yesterday. It's a peaceful day. Again, I'm wearing this because it helped me with the breathing, control snoring, and basically makes a clear pathway. So for the air. Anyways, apart from that, so yeah, had a peaceful day today. Adi came over. He did some new type of coffee we tried of third wave. It was really nice. So that's one success. Got to know how to make it. Plan to buy a coffee maker. French press. Should I get a French press or should I get a pour over? You guys tell me, whoever is an expert. What should I buy? My budget is around 3k. Tell me, you guys tell me, comment money. Whoever is an expert, let me know. I would really want to know. Whatever you guys know, please comment with the brand name, it will help me a lot. And apart from that, had a peaceful day. Went swimming, came back. Had a peaceful dinner. Dinner was awesome. I'm sure you guys saw matra, kulcha. Oh, next level it was. Today morning breakfast also, I'm gonna have the same thing. Next level yum. Superb. Well done. My secret chef. So yeah, that's about it. Had a fun time. Came back, just watched Big Boss and just slept. That's about it. And today to go to Abhi's place. He's called us for dinner, so that's there. Any which ways, I hope you guys had a beautiful Friday night, and I'm sure you guys are gonna have a beautiful weekend ahead. My wishes. And whoever hasn't subscribed, subscribe Madi. Whoever hasn't like Madi. Share Madi, comment Madi, and please, I've asked you something, guys. Help with home remedies for the cold, and help with the best coffee maker within the budget of 3k to 4k. Alright, let me know. Whoever hasn't subscribed, subscribe. Whoever hasn't like. Whoever is viewing the videos, please one like, view and just like. That will be amazing. Alright, thank you so much. Take care. Adios. Have an amazing weekend ahead. Bye bye.